Here comes Motley. She's about 3 to 4 years old, hound mix, heartworm negative, and she is ready for her love and forever home. She can be adopted or rescued. She's an energetic girl. She loves playing with other dogs. She's good with cats. All right, let me get a close-up. She's good with people, too. Hey, Motley. Hey, girl. She is ready to play. Okay, you can walk her over here with Duncan. Here's Duncan with Motley. They're going to play. Okay, take her over there to Margie. Grace. See, they just enjoying being out of the shelter.
Very much so.
And they are all ready for their love and forever homes.
Margie should be digging her nose in the dirt. That's what you were doing, Margie, in the background. Digging your nose in the dirt. Oh, what you doing?
They all want to play.